Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be your guide today as we wander through the captivating streets of Matera, Italy. This city isn't just a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but it's also a star on the silver screen, having hosted the production of James Bond, No Time to Die. So let's delve into the history and the Hollywood glamour as we explore this extraordinary locale. As we begin our journey through the winding cobbled paths here in Matera, you're treading on the same ground that the cast and crew of No Time to Die walked on, James Bond. Imagine the excitement in the air as Matera was transformed into a cinematic playground. What do you think? Did I find a good place?
Yes.
Behold the Sassi di Matera, the ancient cave dwellings that have been inhabited since the Paleolithic era. These iconic stones have seen civilizations come and go. Here's my interesting fact for you. Did you know that during the filming, the production team had to ensure the preservation of these ancient stones? They even used a special type of biodegradable paint for temporary touch-ups that wouldn't harm the historical site while they freshen it up. Now, as I show you the Via Madonna della Virtù, it almost sounds like I can pronounce that. You might recognize this road from the movie's thrilling motorcycle chase. Bond, played by Daniel Craig, races through these streets, creating one of the film's most breathtaking sequences. To capture these scenes, the production team spent weeks preparing these narrow streets. Believe it or not, it took 400 crew to get that done. Take a moment to admire the Piazza San Pietro Caveso. The crew spent several days shooting here, meticulously planning each stunt to ensure there was no damage to these beautiful historical structures. Imagine the area bustling with cameras and rigging. It's hard to believe that such a serene spot was once the hub of a modern film. From our hotel, we had a breathtaking view overlooking this ravine, a natural canvas that featured prominently, providing an epic background for the movie. No Time to Die was Daniel Craig's last appearance as James Bond, and some of the most crucial scenes in his tenure as the epic spy were filmed right here in Matera. As our tour comes to an end, I hope you enjoyed this blend of the ancient history with the cinematic excitement. Let's wrap this thing up in a bow from Matera itself.
I think this place is just one of these untouched places that's limited with tourists. Thank God. I love one.
It's the first place in Italy that it wasn't completely overrun by tourists.
Yeah.
And we also both said it is also the cleanest place we have seen in Italy.
Yes.
No garbage all over the street, no graffiti on the walls. It's been really cool.
Yeah, we really like it. It's definitely a super highlight in Italy.
So if you have any questions about this, put it in the comments or thoughts. And also make sure you click that subscribe button because we have lots more cool videos to come.
Thanks for watching.
Right here below me is a button which you can click to subscribe so that you always get our notifications. If you want to just watch another video real quick, right here below, this is a video that YouTube thinks you'll really like. And then right up here is a selection of videos from this European trip we just went on, so you could kind of continue the adventure there. In any case, keep commenting and watching, and we'll see you next time.